Meteorologist Yvonne Schalle has more on what we can expect this weekend. Yvonne.
Thanks, Jen. We're tracking rain and heavy at times. We've got a number of systems, and the one that we're tracking through the day today will be the wettest, and we're also looking at windy conditions. It's going to intensify, especially as we get in towards the afternoon and evening. Rainfall warning all areas that are in green, extending in towards Howe Sound, Coquitlam and Maple Ridge. Storm totals upwards of 100 millimeters. Now, the wind warning that is in effect for the southern Gulf Islands, eastern areas of the island, and right across the Sunshine Coast. We'll see the winds picking up, gusts between 70 and up to 90 kilometers per hour. We're also looking at the snow level rising for many areas, getting closer to 1,500 and 1,800 meters, but we still have some mountain passes that will be tracking some snow and heavy at times. I'll have that coming up very shortly. Jen?
Thank you so much.
Good afternoon. It's a wet and windy start to our weekend. We'll be tracking that rain and heavy at times, and we've got another system that is on deck for both Sunday and leading in towards our Monday as well. Temperature-wise, double digits up to 10 degrees. We're close to the average for this time of the year. A record of 14 degrees is set back in 1973. There is that wave of rain that'll pick up and intensify as we get in through the day. We'll have a brief break for the morning hours tomorrow. Chance for some showers will pick up. Heavier rain for the evening, and then we're looking at another system for our Monday night as well. So there are going to be some lulls in the action or breaks. We can see that for tomorrow morning. In behind it, though, by the evening hours, it starts to pick up. Monday morning, it'll be cloud cover, and then by Monday night, we've got rain and heavy at times. Rainfall amounts across the board were anywhere between 20 and up to 50 millimeters, but we can see some of those heavier pockets to the afternoon and early evening, and then another heavy round of rain will be moving in for our Sunday night. So we're not out of the clear in the coming days, and our rainfall amounts will be higher right along the North Shore Mountains and extending in towards Howe Sound. Winds will pick up with gusts of up to 50 kilometers per hour, and the wind warnings across the island, especially along the eastern regions, southern Gulf Islands, and the Sunshine Coast. Sustained winds at 70 and some of those gusts of getting up to 90 kilometers per hour through the afternoon, and then dissipating as we get in through this evening. If you're traveling along the mountain passes, higher amounts will be for the Kootenay Pass, upwards of 15 centimeters. A few spots by tomorrow could reach upwards of 25 centimeters. Now, the northeastern corners of the province, winds today, gusts of up to 40, gusts of up to 60 for tomorrow. Whitehorse with a few flurries in the mix for our Sunday, but not much in terms of accumulation. Along the north coast, the winds through the day today, 50 and gusts of up to 80 if you're closer to the water. Caribou and central interior with a wet and windy one with gusts of up to 60. Breaks on the way for tomorrow. Columbia and Kootenay region will see that snow level rising to 1,000 meters with windy conditions up to 40. The tops in Okanagan, the snow level closer to 1,800 meters. Breaks in there for Sunday with just a few isolated showers. Whistler will see an ice break for the morning hours, but the rain returns through the afternoon on Sunday. And across the island, we're into the double digits, 11 degrees with on and off rain, heavy at times. For us, the gusts today will be up to 50, tomorrow 40 kilometers per hour. A brief break between systems once again through the day on Monday. It'll pick up heavy at times, and then wet and windy for our Tuesday so far. All right, we've got one birthday to celebrate, this one going out to Bernice Lenny. Congratulations from Kelowna, celebrating 101. A very happy birthday to you. Back to you, Jen.
Oh, happy birthday indeed. Thanks so much.
Good evening. It's been a wet and windy start to our weekend. We are going to see a brief lull in the action for tomorrow morning, but another system is on deck. I'll have more on that, and if you're traveling along the mountain passes, coming up very shortly. Over to you, Barbara, with a check on the roads.
And Yvonne Schalle joins us now with a look at a very wet weekend weather forecast. Yvonne.
Thanks, Sarah. It's been wet and windy. A bit of a lull in the action overnight tonight. Cloud cover with the chance for some showers. And then the next system, as we get in towards tomorrow, bring rain and heavy at times. And it'll be breezy if you're closer to the water. So a bit of a break will be for the morning hours. By the late afternoon and evening, it'll intensify with this next system. And then another break as we get in towards our Monday morning. The next system is going to push in for Monday night. So on and off rain. Be prepared, especially as we get in through the latter half of tomorrow and the latter half of our Monday. We can see that on the futurecast. I put this to the morning hours. We'll still have that cloud cover, a few breaks in there. And then as we get in late afternoon and evening, the rain is going to pick up, and the potential is there to see some localized flooding once again. Along the mountain passes, higher elevations, we've had the snow level rising, but the areas that we're watching closely is along the Kootenay Pass, 15 centimeters this evening, and then an additional 10 centimeters tomorrow. So check in with drivebc.ca for the latest road conditions. Along the coast with the chance for some showers, temperatures up to 7. The northeastern corners with a mix of sun and clouds, similar across the central interior. It's the southern interior, mild, double digits for a few spots. We will still see a few wet flurries in the mix for higher elevations and then changing over to rain. Whistler will see that rain pick up through the afternoon, but more breaks for the morning hours, highs up to 7. And across the island, the rain will start to pick up late morning and into the early afternoon. Victoria with highs up to 11 degrees. Across the lower mainland, we've got a mild one, but that rain is going to move in heavy at times. Gusts tomorrow up to 40 kilometers per hour. Monday through the day, it'll be a chance for some showers, and then heavier rain starts to move in with windy conditions taking us in towards our Tuesday so far. Sarah?
All right, thanks, Yvonne. Ooh, pretty wet out there and dark.
Yes, it's very dark today. I think the lights were on like at noon.
I know.
So what's going on?